We're here at the Helen Graham Cancer Center, where we just held a press conference to talk about the introduction of the Drug Shortage Prevention Act, which I'll be introducing into the House of Representatives this afternoon. About a year ago, I met with Dr. Stephen Grubbs and the Clinical Oncologists Association from across the country, and Dr. Grubbs made me aware of the critical shortage of chemotherapy drugs that he was using to treat his patients. And immediately I became concerned and alarmed that certain patients weren't receiving the care that they needed. And today we unveiled our legislation which would address those critical shortages by doing a number of pretty simple and straightforward things. One, it would require FDA and drug companies to identify drugs that may go into a shortage and provide information to stakeholders, hospitals, physicians, patients, so that those stakeholders could react to the possibility of a shortage for a particular drug. It would also address the supply chain by requiring the FDA to do a better job, frankly, of regulating manufacturers and closing facilities down when there's a problem and bringing them back online to get more product in the market, and also requiring the DEA to increase quotas or make quotas available for manufacturers where we have a shortage of supply. This is a very serious problem affecting people regardless of political affiliation across our country. And that's why I'm pleased to have Congressman Larry Bucshon, who's a former non-practicing physician, who's a member of Congress, to be the co-sponsor of this legislation, which we're going to introduce into Congress today. And I look forward to working with Congress Bucshon and all our colleagues and members on both sides of the aisle in the House and the Senate to address this very critical problem that's affecting patients, physicians across our country, and certainly here in Delaware.